Hi everyone, let's see very easily and quickly how you can add HTML content elements on your pages, on your forms and surveys in BreezyBit within your Salesforce org. So here I have a test form that I created, and then on the left side, as you see, there are form elements section here. If I open this, you will see that there is the HTML content. And if I want to add this on my page, what I need to do is just drag and drop. It's added on my page. And to edit this, I just need to click on the HTML content element. And on the right side, as you see, you can change the width of this element, or you can add a visibility filter for this as well. But for this example, I'm going to show you something really quick that I created before. I have this form, for example, with a nice visual. If you want to add a visual like this on your form, you can add HTML content elements. And here I have a very simple, HTML code here that I created. You can actually create something like this. You don't need to have any experience right now, with ChatGPT or Gemini or other LLMs. You don't need to know, again, anything about HTML or coding. You can ask to create something like this. I have a simple URL for this image, and I just added this whole thing as an HTML content. So to add this, I just copy this. I go to my form, click on the HTML content. On the right side, as you see, I can just paste this here. And then when I save the form, my HTML content is already added here. So if I go to the form sharing and click on the form URL, I will see that the whole image that I added using the HTML content is added on my form already. So based on your branding, any images, anything with different colors, or you can embed videos right into your forms or surveys as well. But you can use an HTML content like this very easily and quickly using the HTML content element in BreezyBit. See you in the next video. Thanks for listening. Bye-bye.